Hello everyone, this is Kip and we're taking another look at Everquest Next Landmark. In this video I'll be going over some of the basics of the building system, not necessarily the crafting, but your actual building on a plot. First things first is you need to claim some areas so that you can start building. You'll be given this claim flag if you have the Trailblazer pack, otherwise you may have to craft one or acquire one a different way. But once you get the flag, set it to one of your slots down here, and it'll bring up this overlay. Now you'll see here that there's these white areas around me. That signifies somebody else is claimed in those areas, and it is not going to let me claim over there. Taking a look at the broader map, you can see this small square over here, that's his actual buildable area, but it puts a buffer zone around it where people can't claim in. So here I'm trying to put something inside that buffer zone and it turns red on me, so it's no go. So I've staked out a decent little place over here near the edge of the world. So you can see it turns blue now since this is of an available space. I can move it around. You can also mouse wheel up and down to claim a different section. I would like to claim mostly above ground so I can build up a little bit below. And that's it. It brings up the confirmation. Since my first claim is not going to cost me any kind of upkeep or anything. That is it. Now I'm in my own little square box. You can see it brought up a new square up for buffer zone around my claim. Alright, what do we want to do first? I think we want to take out some of this mountaintop here so that I have a little bit more of a flat area. I'm going to go down here and select my delete tool. It brings up this little blue box. I can make the little blue box larger and smaller by mouse wheeling. Let's see. Apparently my push to talk key makes it go into this little mode, but I'll show you myself deleting a few areas. And that just took some big chunks out of it. I just cycled through Control-Z to undo. You can easily undo and redo, just like you're in a Word document. You also have the option of using the heal tool. Now most of these tools down here you have to craft. You get some off the bat, but like the selection tool, smooth tool, paint tool, I had to craft all of those. Heal tool works in a similar fashion. And it restores the land to its previous condition. Next we'll go into the add tool. Come over here, tell this to pin so it stays open. And you can select your different material. I'm going to start with just some basic grass using dirt. Switch over to some stone. Try a different shape or two. Simple. I can put it pretty much anywhere I want, build any kind of structure I want. And you can combine these tools to work out different effects. Take just a chunk out of something. Selection tool is going to let you basically copy and paste an area. So let's say you want to reuse the same pattern you've created over and over. Use these arrows to kind of move it around. Control C, Control V, all that kind of methods work. And I can just replace whatever I want there. Haven't tried the smooth tool yet. Looks like it's going to let me take off some of these harsh edges. Haven't really used this paint tool yet either. Not sure exactly how it's going to end up looking. As you can see on the left, when I use that, it's taken away my materials there. I imagine it would just basically let me replace something I've already built with a better material. So let's say you want start with a basic dirt floor, and later on you want to make your floors into marble. Just come and paint over them. Now I've made this horrific looking structure. I can use my heal tool, and it gives me back the materials and heals the land. The delete tool is different. It does not give you back materials, so you can't just like delete a whole mountain and expect to get all the stone. And that is it for the basics. I'll make another video and actually make a structure that has some kind of form or shape. Just wanted to give you an overview of some of these basic tools down here and how they function.